GXAI stock analysis. This is for tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether Gaxos AI stock is a buy or not for me. So watch it till the end of this video to find out. So specifically me, I mean, even just Tuesday itself, it just delivered 22% up, and I am looking to take this thing even higher. Now, before I get into it, context, I've done 32,000 videos. I've spent thousands of dollars on course mentorships. And with GXAI specifically, I want to see the price pull down inside my demand area. Give me a double break and only then take it up. If that happens, then I'm cool, you know, then I will long. But if the price doesn't pull down and doesn't give me that double break, there is no way that I'm longing this. Just no way. So still taking it with a grain of salt. Obviously a few more candles need to appear, so a little bit more data needs to appear. How are we gonna wait for that? I mean, obviously for time to pass. So let me know what is your opinion. If you want to learn the strategy, there is a free newsletter, first link in the description. Check it out, and I'll see you in the next one.